Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Cubing. This is Nagesh. In this video, I'll be showing you the different types of Rubik's cubes that I have. So let's get started. This is the 2x2 MF2S. This is the AoLong V2, the 3x3. This is the Guanlong by YJ. This is the GANS SM. This is the GANS UM. This is the 4x4x4 by MO FANG GE Thunderclap. This is the Shengshou 5x5. This is the Shengshou 6x6. This is the Shengshou Megaminx. This is the Shengshou Square one. This is Pyraminx by Little Magic. This is the Mastermorphinx by Shengshou. This changes its shape. So this is the Mirror cube by Shengshou. It changes its shape when shuffled. This is the Axis cube by YJ. Even this is a shape mod. This is the cuboid 3x3x4 by C4U. This is the 3x3x5 cuboid by C4U. This is the 3x3x7 by C4U cuboid. This is the Megaminx by LanLan. It's a gate cube. And this is the QiYi Pentacle. To turn any of the sides, you'll have to align the stars in the center. And only then you'll be able to turn it. Yeah, so this is my collection. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Versatile Cubing signing off.